Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection. Make sure that you've got one. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to follow my steps. If not, you will either have to add your account, so log in, or sign up, so create the account. Without this, you will not be able to use the Google Play Store. So after that, simply tap on the circle, which is your account. Then tap on My Apps and Games. And here we have to enter this Manage section. As you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps, and all we have to do is to tap on Updates Available to show all of the apps which can be updated. If you want, you can mark all of them. It's up to you. If not, you can choose like 2 or 3 different apps. So let me choose maybe Google Chrome, simply mark the app, Google Drive maybe, and Google Meet. After that, just tap on this the update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully and automatically installed, so you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.